As always, kick it off with the movers and shakers of the day. We have Hormuz joining in with the action. Hormuz.
Some interesting movers that came in today's session, be it earnings reactions, be it news flow. But the one pocket that was bleeding in today's session were the textile names, and for obvious reasons as well, because of this tariff situation on the course of deteriorating further, and that has resulted in stocks like Gokaldas Exports seeing a 9% knock in today's session. And not just Gokaldas, most of the others, but take a look at KPR Mill. That was the surprise package because it saw a sharp spike towards the close of the trade, and it ended in the green compared to most of the others that ended with losses. Earnings reactions continued plenty. Triveni Turbine, of course, was the big underperformer today, 10% lower. On the flip side, MTAR Tech reported results just a few minutes before closing. It ended 10% higher in today's session. We just spoke of Prakash Industries a few minutes earlier. Another earnings reaction, almost 12% higher on that stock. Sanofi was up 10% as well. So earnings reactions on the extremes. Keystone Realtors too, ending 5% lower after margins halved during the quarter. Newsmakers of the day, of course, PSP Projects was in the news yesterday because of a big block deal. It was the promoters that offloaded stake. That stock came off the highs. At one point was up almost 8-9%, whereas came off the highs to end 3% higher. BSE, of course, of the CNBC-TV18 News break. Tata Investment came out with results yesterday, approved a stock split, and it built on to those gains. And of course, Adani Ports after results, and Solar Industries, with most of the defense names seeing a bit of a move on the upside towards the close of the trading session. And lastly, in a market like this, there were stocks that ended at a 52-week high as well. Another high for Datamatics, another high for Godfrey Phillips as well, 10% higher after its results. And JK Cement doing well for itself at a 52-week high. Back to you guys.
Okay, all right, Hormuz. Thanks very much for that. Those were the top movers. And let's now go